In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact eBay support in 2025, providing a detailed walkthrough on how to effectively reach eBay customer service. Whether you're facing issues with returns, account access, or seller fees, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Let's start by visiting the eBay help page. Open your preferred web browser and type ebay.com help into the address bar. This will take you directly to the main portal where eBay offers a variety of support topics and resources to address common questions and issues. Once you are on the help page, you'll want to scroll down a bit until you see the Contact Us option. This is where the support journey truly begins, as it leads to more personalized assistance options tailored to your specific needs. Next, click on Contact Us, which will prompt you to select a topic that best matches your issue. Here you'll find several options such as returns, seller fees, or account access. By choosing the topic that closely relates to your problem, eBay can direct you to the most relevant resources and support personnel. Once you've selected your topic, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find an option to chat with our automated assistant. Click on this to initiate a chat session. It's a convenient and immediate way to start resolving your issue, especially with simpler queries or if you need quick information. After clicking Chat with our automated assistant, a chat box will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll interact with eBay's AI assistant, designed to help solve your problems efficiently. The assistant can handle various inquiries and frequently asked questions, guiding you through common procedures. However, if your question requires human intervention, don't worry. You can simply ask the AI assistant to connect you with a live support agent. Type in your request clearly, for instance, I want to speak to an agent, and the assistant will facilitate this for you. One tip to keep in mind while using the chat feature is to be as specific as possible with your queries. This enables both the AI assistant and any live agents to fully understand your issue, leading to a quicker resolution time. And there you have it. By following these steps, contacting eBay support becomes a straightforward task. You're equipped to manage the process efficiently, ensuring any issues are handled promptly and correctly. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and remember, effective communication is key to getting the support you need. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide useful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.